Good morning, students. I hope you are healthy and safe. Welcome to the online classes. We have completed first chapter and second chapter also we have completed approximately. Only one exercise is left, that is 2.6. The name of this chapter is linear equations in one variable. First question of this exercise is solve the following equations. 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. Here solve means to find the value of x. Now how can we rewrite this equation? 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2 means 2 upon 1. Now we will cross multiply numerator of left hand side by denominator of right hand side and numerator of right hand side by denominator of left hand side. By multiplying 8x minus 3 by 1 we get 1 into 8x. 1 minus 3 is minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3x is equal to 6x. Now the terms with variable we will bring in the left side and the constant terms will be brought in the right hand side. So 8x and 6x will become minus 6x is equal to minus 3 will become 3. 8x minus 6x is equal to 2x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5. Therefore the solution of this equation is 1.5. Value of x is 1.5. Now the second and third questions are similar to question number 1. Now we'll solve question number 4. Here the equation is 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Now we will multiply the numerator of left hand side by the denominator of right hand side and numerator of right hand side by the denominator of left hand side. There are two terms in numerator of left hand sides, therefore the left hand side numerator of left hand side will be put in bracket. Similarly the denominator of left hand side has also two terms. We will put these two terms, this denominator, in bracket. Now by cross multiplying we multiply 3y plus 4 by 5 and get 5 3s are 15y, 5 4s are 20 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 2 into minus 6y is equal to minus minus plus 12y. Now the variables will be brought to left hand side and constant terms will be brought to the right hand side. Here 15y and 12y will be minus 12y is equal to minus 4 and plus 20 will be minus 20 on transferring to the right hand side. 15y minus 12y, that is 3y, minus 4 minus 20, that is minus 24. Y is equal to minus 24 divided by 3. Y is equal to 3 8s are 24 minus 8. Therefore the answer is minus 8. Hence the solution of this equation is minus 8. Question number 5 is similar to question number 4, and question number 6 The ages of Hurry and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Here we have to find the present ages of Hurry and Harry. And the ratio between their ages is given, that is 5:15, 5:7. So let us suppose that present age of Hurry is 5x years and present age of Harry is 7x years. Now as per question, after 4 years, here it is written 4 years from now, means after 4 years. After 4 years, age of Hurry will be present age plus 4, 5x plus 4, and age of Harry will be 7x plus 4. Now according to sum, after 4 years, their ages have the ratio 3:4. Now after 4 years, the ages are 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. And the ratio of these ages is given 3:4, means 3/4. Now we will cross multiply. As in question number 1 and 4. 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. 5 for the 20x, 4 for the 16 is equal to 3 7 the 21x, 3 4 the 12. Now 20x and 21x will be of minus in left hand side, 12 and 16 will be of minus 1x, 12 minus 16 minus 4, x is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 1, minus minus cancel, x is equal to 4. Now we have to find the present ages of Hurry and Harry. We supposed their present ages 5x and 7x and value of x is 4. Therefore present age of Hurry is 5 into 4 is equal to 20 years and present age of Harry is 7 into 4, 28 years. In the same way, question number 7 is. Now question number 7. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3/2. Find the rational number. Here the comparison of denominators is done with the numerator. So we will suppose the numerator. Let the numerator of the rational number is x, and here it is written in the question that denominator is 8 more than numerator. Therefore denominator of the rational number will be x plus 8. More means greater. Therefore rational number is equal to numerator upon denominator. Here numerator is x, denominator is x plus 8, x upon x plus 8. In next line, if the numerator is increased by 17, it means increased numerator will be x plus 17. Before it the numerator was x, now it is increased by 17, therefore increased numerator is x plus 17. And denominator is decreased by 1, therefore decreased denominator is x plus 8 minus 1, that is x plus 7. Therefore new rational number is, new numerator is x plus 17, new denominator is x plus 7. Therefore new rational number is x plus 17 upon x plus 7. Now according to sum, this new number is equal to 3/2. So we put this rational number equal to 3/2 and cross multiply. We get 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. 2 into x, 2x plus 34 is equal to 3x, 3 into 7, 21. Now variable will be brought to left hand side and constant term will be brought to right hand side. and while transferring these terms their sign will get changed. 2x minus 3x minus 1x, 21 minus 34 is equal to minus 13, x is equal to minus 13 upon minus 1, x is equal to 13, minus minus cancel. So we supposed numerator as x, therefore numerator is x and x is equal to 13, therefore numerator is 13, and denominator is x plus 8, that is 13 plus 8, 21. Therefore rational number is numerator upon denominator, that is 13 upon 21. Hence the answer is 13 upon 21. You will do this exercise in your fair notebook. Thank you.